Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple book notes page in Notion in just a few steps. Start by clicking New Page in the sidebar to create a blank page. A new untitled page opens in the main editor view with your cursor ready in the title field. Type Book Notes as your page title at the top. The title appears at the top of the page and Notion automatically saves it as you type. Type /table in the page body and a table menu appears. Select it to insert a table. A 3x3 table drops into your page with blank header cells and 2 empty rows beneath them. Click into the first header cell and type Title as your column name. The header updates and your cursor moves down into the first data cell below it. Move to the second header and type Author. Then click the third header and type Rating. Each column now has a clear label, and you can start adding book entries underneath them. Now, to add a sample entry, click into the first cell under Title and type Atomic Habits. The text appears in the cell, and you can press Tab to move quickly to the author column, or click any other cell to continue building your table. Click into the first cell of the next row and type Key Takeaways. This creates a separate row you can use as a notes section below each book entry. You can span this cell across all columns later if you want the notes to take up the full width beneath each book. You can add more columns to track things like date finished, genre, or whether you'd recommend it. If you want to turn this into a full database with filters and views, click the 3 dots at the top right of the table and select Turn into Database. Each book entry can expand into its own page where you can write longer notes, highlights, or chapter summaries. And that's how to set up a simple book notes system in Notion. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.